And first up, we get you details of the massive war of words that is underway inside the Rajya Sabha, where Rajya Sabha chair versus Mallikarjun Kharge, a face-off that was out in the open and got really heated up. Rajya Sabha chair, SIR and vote chori showdown that was witnessed in the Rajya Sabha. There you see all-out protest that has been underway by the opposition, where they're primarily raking up the issue of SIR and vote chori. And once again, there was massive ruckus in the Rajya Sabha, where MPs were up in arms raising slogans and voicing against the centre when it came to issues of SIR and vote chori. Rajya Sabha chairman, who took on the MPs and said that business must function on the floor of the House. Ruckus that continues in the upper house of the Parliament.
आज हमने जो नोटिस दी है रूल 267 में, उसका उद्देश्य क्या है, सब्जेक्ट क्या है और कौन कौन हमारे सदस्य नोटिस दिए हैं, उनका नाम, सब्जेक्ट ये बताना चाहिए। ये परंपरा रही है। जैसा कि निचले हाउस में एडजर्नमेंट मोशन जब देते हैं तब भी ऐसा ही वहाँ पर किया जाता है और यहाँ पर भी किया जाता था। लेकिन सडनली जो सदस्य अपना नाम दिए हैं, अपने नाम से नोटिस दिए हैं, उनका नाम भी नहीं पढ़ते, सब्जेक्ट भी नहीं पढ़ते, ये अच्छा नहीं। और आप साहब, मैं आपका I don't want to embarrass you because today is the first day of working. See, you try to see everywhere. Earlier they used to see one side, only Nadda sahab. Now, sir, you are seeing only this table down, and you are not seeing us.
What I have to see? You want me to see all the people in the world?
Yeah.
That I have to see?
That's why.
That I am not going to
1 minute.
That,
I raised my hand.
You are a very elderly senior leader. When the house is in order, I will listen to everyone. When the house is not in order, how a chairperson can listen to everyone?
Sir,
what to listen? So you are speaking, I am listening now.
No. You see, house order में लाना आपका काम है, सरकार का काम, हमारा नहीं। हम जो चीज नहीं, हम जो सब्जेक्ट आपके सामने रखते हैं।
Yesterday you have raised some points. Immediately I asked the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to respond. He responded. He wants some time, but you are not agreeing.
No, he evaded. Yes, sir. You allow us to.
See, everybody, they are.
We should
never. Yesterday, the Parliamentary Minister has never said. No. Please. Yesterday, the Parliamentary Affairs Ministry has responded positively. He seeks some time for answering to your request. That we should give to him.
No time, sir. These are the urgent matters. People are dying, and SIR is going fast, and nearly 12-13 people have died, and BOL 28 people have died. Sir, this is an urgent matter to save democracy.
You put your words. I will ask the government to respond.
I want discussion should take place now only, and in the interest of democracy, in the interest of citizens, in the interest of the country.
Okay.
So I request you, sir,
please
you should allow.
I will ask.
You should allow for discussion. Our members are ready. We will definitely cooperate with you. We don't want to say anything. Kindly allow. So we will keep quiet, and one by one we will speak.
And there you saw that entire sequence of the ruckus that unfolded on the floor of the House. It was the Rajya Sabha chairman versus Mallikarjun Kharge, who was once again raking up the issues of the opposition. And now the Rajya Sabha that has been adjourned till 2 p.m. Let me take this to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, who has been tracking all the developments on the ground and all that has been unfolding in Parliament. Aishwarya, quite unexpected lines, exactly what the opposition was going to do. But given the protest that has been happening outside the Parliament and inside of what we see, once again, issues that are not being discussed given this protest.
This is exactly what we were also looking at, and this is what the opposition also has been speaking about. But what we are understanding at the moment, we could actually see some kind of flow happening. Because what has really happened is that the Lok Sabha speaker has now called Kiran Rijiju and also the floor leaders of the opposition parties. So it seems like back channel talks are also going on. But if we look at what's happening in Rajya Sabha, we have seen 5 debates, not just today, but we are also seeing how yesterday also there was a fiery discussion that took place between Mallikarjun Kharge, who's the Congress president, and he was actually asking pertinent questions. Derek O'Brien there also said that we need a timeline. The government is saying that we have heard what you want, we are not rejecting your demand, but you need to give us time. So that's the kind of bone of contention that we are seeing playing out in front of our eyes at the moment. In the morning also, we see how most of the opposition parties were out at the Makar Dwar protesting against the SIR. The government is saying that if you want to speak about electoral rolls, we are okay with it, but let us just see where we can fit the discussion, how many hours will be given to it. So